In this tutorial, we demonstrate password protecting a PDF document using DynamicPDF Core Suite for .NET. Setting password protection and encrypting a PDF can be done with just a few lines of code when using DynamicPDF Core Suite. Of course, the way it works is when a user password is specified, the PDF viewer will require the password in order to open the document. DynamicPDF supports the AES 128 security, AES 256 security, RC 4128 security, and the RC 440 security encryption settings. Note that unless you have specific requirements, you should generally not use RC 4128 or RC 440 as neither are very secure, and both will be deprecated in future DynamicPDF Core Suite versions. Instead, use the 128-bit or 256-bit AES encryption. In this tutorial, we use the AES 256 security encryption setting. Let's get started. Open Visual Studio and create a new project named Encryption Example. Select the console application .NET Core template. Name the project Encryption Example. Create. Add the Core Suite NuGet package. cete.dynamicpdf.coresuite.net. Install. OK. Accept. Add the DynamicPDF using statements. Using cete.dynamicpdf. Using cete.dynamicpdf.cryptography. Using cete.dynamicpdf.pageElements. Create a new static method named createExample. Create a new document instance. Document equals new document. Create a new page instance. Page equals new page. Create a new label instance with the text protected and center the label on the page. Protected 0, 0, 504 and 100, font.helvetica, 18, text-align.center. Add the label to the page elements collection. Page.elements.add label. Add the page to the Documents Pages collection. Document.pages.add page. Create a new instance of the AES 256 security class and pass the username and password to the constructor. Equals new AES 256 security. Make the username owner and the password my password. Add the security instance to the document. Document.security equals security. Call the document draw method and pass the path to the created PDF. C:/password -protect -example /output a.pdf. Remove the WriteLine statement and add the createExample method call. Execute the application. Open the created PDF and it asks for your password. Enter the password and the document opens. Now, let's add a second example, only this time, rather than creating a new PDF, let's add password protection to a pre-existing PDF document. Add the merger using statement using cete.dynamicpdf.merger. Create a new static method named modifyExample. Create a new merge document instance and pass the path to the PDF document. Merge document equals new merge document. C:\password-protect-example/sample.pdf. Add a new instance of AES 256 security and set the username and password in the constructor. Set the username to owner, password to my password. Add the security to the document instance. Merge document.security equals AES256 security. Call the draw method and specify the output path for the encrypted PDF. Merge document.draw C:\password-protect-example /outputb.pdf. Add the modifyExample method call to main. Just to prove the document isn't password protected, let's open the PDF. Execute the application. Open the encrypted PDF and the document asks for the password. Enter the password and the document opens. As the examples here illustrate, encrypting PDFs is straightforward when using DynamicPDF Core Suite. DynamicPDF Core Suite is our flagship product for handling all your PDF creation, merging, and manipulation needs. It's ideal for anyone who needs to create PDF documents or reports or work with existing PDFs in their application. Encrypting a PDF is just one of the many features offered by DynamicPDF Core Suite. For support, go to our online support page. There you will find forums, example code, and user manuals. Or you can email us if you need more help. With so many features offered by DynamicPDF Core Suite and transparent pricing and a free trial edition, why not try DynamicPDF Core Suite today? I'm James at DynamicPDF reminding you, when you think PDF, think DynamicPDF. See you next time.